Hi everybody, welcome back. This is another interesting video. I am making a tabletop for a classic style dining table, a big table. This one will be extendable, so it's possible to sit around with a lot of friends. The middle section will have really cool engravings for playing board games. In another video I will go into the 3D design details and the mechanicals and workings of the table. Behind me is the laser machine of Jesse engraving the tabletops. They are pop culture logos, and this is working quite nicely. Let me show you.
Yeah.
A part of the wood is pre-shaved and relative on dimension, and a part of the wood is laminated together from smaller boards. These are the visible rim boards, but the glued and laminated boards, they come in between the table, and which is perfectly fine in that situation there. So I'm gonna shave them to the thickness I want, and then I can shorten them, cut them cross-cutting, and join them together to make the table frames. I am rehearsing how I'm gluing this frame up for the tabletop, and I'm checking all the sides, also the grain, how it's oriented, with the coupling on the right side, and also this cymbal piece. So this is looking nice, and I can mark for the dominoes. Behind me is one of the frames, all glued up and stiff. And right now I'm putting in the colored hardwood little edge around the centerpiece. Frames are glued up and I'm gonna sand the little ridges and mistakes away, and also the high darker wood or darker hardwood, and then I can place the middle panel. First of the fixed panels is fitting already. I already cut it, and now I'm gonna cut the second one, and then it's ready for glue. Right now the back rails are also attached to the frame, so that the middle panel stays in put in every situation. And now these are really finished to be oiled and ready for the next step. And after oiling, the legs will go on here, and the sliding rails, the sliding bearing, to extend the table when they need to. The first layer or the initial application is done with the oil and the sponge, and right now I'm dividing and wiping off the excess and spreading out the excess over the surface, and this evens it out. There's a little time between the first application and this wiping, because then the layer on top of the wood gets saturated, and at a certain point the saturation is done, and then I can wipe off the excess, and then it becomes very, very even. And you can see this already happening when spreading this out. The layer is already quite nice. By me I have the two legs for the big table. I bought these, and they came in nicely. They're quite solid, quite heavy, quite a lot of oak. Let me show you. This is a little side wing for stability and stiffness in the direction of the legs, so there are no aprons for the table needed. And this should be okay for the situation there, and the stuff is all heavy, so it's not easy to move it at all. So now the parts are ready and the whole is assembled. The next video is about the details and is well underway. And this is interesting for the tech savvy people watching this. Thanks for watching.